All right, back with another pair of Lowheat, and I got some thoughts on. You already know what it is from the title, but these are some dunk highs. I have some thoughts on other ones that are very affordable, so stick around for that. I'm giving you a little tease to get you to stick around. I'm going to point out some very affordable dunks for women in just a bit, so stick through the video. I already appreciate you watching and clicking. Just trying to get you to stick around a little longer. And while I'm at it, while I'm plugging and cutting this Just Steal It tape, why do they do this? Why do they still do this after mail theft is such a problem and sneakers are so hype? Do you really need branding on the shipping box? It tempts people into doing bad things. Do away with that, Nike. Just cut myself almost. So yeah, while I'm plugging everything, one plug for the channel. I know you guys get tired of this. I do. Please subscribe if you don't. Appreciate you who already are subscribed, because I have some high heat coming in. So that's a little tease for the future. Got a couple more reviews coming up very shortly. So please subscribe so you don't miss those. All right, done plugging. I know people hate that. I hate that too. If you want to subscribe, you will. I get it, but just, I'm still a lowly sub 1,000 YouTuber, so I have to do it. It's like eating your vegetables. Okay, here we go. The unboxing. Today we have the women's Nike Dunk High in white, cashmere, and light LT lemon twist, or cashmere LT. I don't know if that's cashmere dash LT or. Anyways, these retail for $110. Let me know what you guys think the LT stands for in the comments. But cashmere and lemon twist. This lemon twist color has been used before, and I might mention it later on in those affordable dunks. All right. Whoa. All right. Let's take a look at these bad girls. Soak it in. Okay. Right off the jump, I think these fall into the category of look better in hand. Online, these look a little, dull, muted, and that's because they are. But in hand, these look better. The colors pop more on like this yellow, neon yellowish, and then the subtler colors. I wouldn't say are more vibrant. They're subtle, but it just looks better than a 2D image. Right away, I will though note that like the construction quality on these is something left to be desired. You can see glue all around the rubber sole there. A little glue getting a little crazy with the glue gun. And then on the other side, I think I saw. Oh yeah, just extra fibers. The cut here wasn't super clean. I don't know. It is what it is. It's a $110 shoe, which is not nothing. Anyone will be excited to have $100 off the ground, and that's a lot of money to some people. It is to me. So I don't want to dismiss the construction or the quality being poor, but at the same time, these are made in a big factory. There's some stuff. So yeah, just a little crap everywhere. But some of this will wear off. So that's what I would point out, but it is what it is with general release dunks, which this is. They're made across this, across the world, where manufacturing costs are cheaper. You have extra rubber right there. So yeah, but back to the overall shoe. These are under women's, of course, and they do have more feminine colors. Guys, whoever, everyone in between, go ahead and cop them if you like them. This isn't maybe for me, but I like it though. That being said, I like it. This is one in a long line of recent women's shoes in different flavors and varieties of general releases, trying to put out more supply for the increased demand in this silhouette. I think dunk highs look really good on anyone. I'm wearing a pair myself. The Kentucky Be True to Your School dunk highs that just released this past year. Go check out that unboxing video. I think these look good on girls, guys, and everyone in between. Like I said, it's a great silhouette. It's basically a Jordan 1 These colors, I think, will go with a lot of stuff. I've done a few unboxing videos with my lady. Any females checking this video out and who are still watching, let me know if I should do more with her, if you would like her opinion on these. I would think maybe, since, she would be the ones wearing. I got these for a friend as a gift. So she won't be wearing these specifically, but for a female perspective on women's shoes, I would think that would be valuable. But you know what? Maybe you're just like, you know what, Fancy Pants, you know what you're talking about. It's fine just hearing from you. It's obviously more coordinating, getting the lady involved, and we're not a professional podcast pair, so there's a little stepping on each other, etc. Sometimes it's just cleaner with one person. But let me know in the comments if you would like her opinion in the future on women's shoes. I can try to do that more. So yeah, these are a gift for a friend, and that's a nice segue into talking about the affordability of dunks. And lately, I've said this in many videos, the dunk market has started to go down. There's finally enough supply that resale is not crazy. Pairs do sell out. Right really quick, but I think that is more, it's partly due to popularity that these are hot, but it's partly due to just price memory. Resellers, flippers think that everything is going to be worth more on the secondary market, so they grab them up and then they sit on them and try to flip them. But some cases like these, there's not enough demand out there for this general release colorway that they're actually basically sitting at around retail. At the time of receiving these yesterday, I got a notification from Cream that they had pairs up, and I'm like, oh, these are probably going to be sold out, even though the post was only 10 minutes ago. And I got there, and sure enough, most sizes were sold out, but there was a couple sitting in a size. And I was just like, that's funny that, the bots probably ate up some, but this is just not a pair that's hitting enough that they were immediately scooped within 60 seconds. There was a pair in my lady's size, and I was tempted to purchase, but I looked on StockX and just A, she has enough shoes, and B, they weren't going for a ton. So I was like, if she really wanted them, we could get them resale. And I was just going to save that $110 on a different, more hype pair of shoes if we happen to hit, or that she wanted. So these were just meh. I figured, you know what, save them for someone else that really wants them. Again, these aren't going for a ton, so it's not like I could flip them. And I actually just let them sit in the cart and clicked out of the tab. So, yeah, with that being said, on the market, there's a lot of affordable dunks out there. So this is where I'm getting in the video. If you've stuck around this long, thank you. I'm going to talk about a few dunks that are affordable. If you're in the market and looking for dunks, but you just can't get them because you're not like some of the people watching this and me, where you're just monitoring every single Instagram post, trying for every single raffle, and you just want to be able to buy a damn pair of dunks at retail price. Any dunks for the most part. Well, you know what? You're in luck to a degree, because there are some ones, not retail, but not too far above retail. So these are going to be a gift. I think these are a great gift idea, and the other ones I'm about to show you are a good gift idea if you have someone in your life that isn't a huge sneakerhead, or just likes sneakers. They don't know what to cop, or maybe they do, but this is a pair, and the ones I'm about to show you are pairs where you can get them at a reasonable cost. Don't have to pay an arm and a leg, and they'll get the nod of approval from sneakerheads. I was like, oh, you're wearing dunks. They get that satisfaction when that happens and people point them out. At the same time, to people who don't know what dunks are, it's still a good looking shoe, so they can wear it with anything, still get compliments. So right now, these on StockX, I'm not sponsored by StockX, I'm just using this for ease. Definitely check eBay, check GOAT, check all the various platforms that are available. StockX, though, if you want to throw me a sponsorship, great. See, as you can see, these are super affordable. Retail for $110, and on StockX you can get these for just a little over retail. Obviously, shipping fees, it's going to net out to like $150, something like that, $160 depending on the size. But most pairs just barely over retail, and you're really just paying a premium in the fees and shipping and tax if you live in California like I do. So yeah, definitely if you want these, check them out. They might. As of this posting, there were still raffles here and there because, as you know, in today's day and age, releases are a little staggered with shipping and supply. So keep your eye out. There might still be raffles for these. I noticed one right as I was filming this. This is another sweet dunk that I wish they did in men's sizing. Unfortunately, it's women's only. That's fine. You know, men get a ton of stuff, so I get it. I'm not going to complain too much, but I love this colorway, this aluminum colorway, and you can see prices these are a little more popular. So they're 160 plus, north of 150, but you know, even with taxes and fees, some depending on your size, you might get them for under 200. As you can see, the bigger sizes you get a little pricier. These start dipping into what men's sizing. Not unfortunately, not quite for me. 12 women's is a 10.5 men's. I wear an 11 at the smallest men's, so half size off. Unfortunately, half to a full size. These are super popular in the lows. These are the Panda Dunk. Super popular in the lows. The shoe of like the summer. You see it all over the place. If you don't mind a high, which I love highs, I actually like highs better most of the time. And you're a lady looking for those lows that everyone has, get the next best thing. Get a high, and pay way cheaper. The lows, you know, you're gonna pay in the 200s for 200s to 300s. Here you can get them all sub 200. After fees and taxes, yeah, it might go over, but definitely check that out. I love this colorway. Again, a little more effeminate, but that's fine. I like this colorway, this sail crimson tint. Look at the prices on those. Not bad. Not bad at all. Size 9 women's, you're getting it under retail, or for retail, size 10. Big-footed women out there. As you see, if you get up on this size, yeah, more expensive because it starts crossing over with guys. But super affordable and super clean colorway. These lows in the lime ice, kind of like the lemon twist here. These are also, as you can see, 120s. Super affordable in the lows. Now we're getting to the lows, and lows overall are more popular. So if you like the cashmere colorway, but you're like, I would prefer a low, check these out. The lime ice for women's. These are all women's dunks. Shout out ladies if you're watching this. Give me a comment, give me a like, give me a subscribe. Dudes have probably clicked off by now. But this is any dudes watching, these are good shopping ideas. You know, the holidays are right around the corner. There's birthdays, Mother's Day, you know, who knows what. These are all, you know, good gifts potentially. I really like this barely green colorway. Everything in the 150s for the most part. Again, expensive on the bigger size, but definitely clean dunk, clean colorway in the lows. These I reviewed. I did an unboxing on my channel. Check that out. Very affordable, sub 150 for most of them. Super colorful, might not be your thing, but wild colorway. If you like loud colors, loud shoes, check these out. Another pair of lows for an affordable, air quotes, affordable price. And finally, the Easter candy dunks from this year. These I did an unboxing. Check that out. Also, depends on your size. These are a little bit, it's weird. It's a little bit more popular, and then other sizes, like, not so much. Like, I got a 7 women's and sold them for like barely anything extra, but obviously the higher pair is going for like big money. So depending on your size though, ladies, check it out. Very affordable for a spring themed, Easter themed dunk. So anyways, let me know in the comments if you like any of these, if you like the cashmeres, if you like any of these dunks that I showed you, what you've copped recently, what you're looking at getting, what you're eyeballing that's in your price range. Do you like these as gifts? So let's give these a rating before we get out of here. Now, these are not for me, so I'm a little biased in the negative direction because this isn't like my perfect color palette, but I do like the silhouette. It's not a collab. Poor construction for sure, but that we'll say we're always grading as if these were perfect construction. I like this outsole. I didn't comment on this before, but I really, man, this pair just has problems, issues all over. I really like this outsole and this swoosh. Just based upon the silhouette and the colors aren't you know, are dope, but not like crazy sick. I would say I'm gonna give these, they're not below a 7 for me, but I'd give these a 7 out of 10. Let me know what your rating is. Appreciate all you who are subscribed. Appreciate any new viewers. Appreciate anyone still watching this. Make sure to subscribe because I got more videos on the way. See you then.